Hey, what's up, it's Jack, and today I'm going to try to solve Rubik's Cube blindfolded, but I'm only allowed to look at the cube in the mirror. And based on my experiments with trying this with my eyes open, this is going to be really trippy and really hard, so let's see how this goes. So, starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm just going to withdraw everything because I can't rely on the mirror itself too much, so O. What is that? I can't see it. O, K. Wait, no, I started. Oh, that's a buffer. Wait, no, it's not a buffer. What am I pointing at? No. Wait, where's my orientation? I need to sort of hold it like this so I can see better. This is. Oh, it is. Wait. Yeah, that's right. Cause it's all mirrored. Okay. Okay sign. N. Wait. NX. Okay sign holding with a helmet on it. M. It's above the piece. Okay. X. Wait, no, where did I go? Oh, M. So something here. That's solved, so this should be twisted. Wait, no, that's. I don't. It's not twisted. What am I doing wrong? Okay. Okay, next. What? I'm so confused. I have to hold it this way so I can trace properly. O. K. Next. Okay. Wait, what's here? I can't see. Why is it yellow? I haven't touched that yet. Why is it yellow? Okay. Try to lose your sanity, Jack. O. Oh, I mistraced it the whole time. Whoops. Oh well. So Oliver Frost, the hot UK dude. He's good at big blind as well. P. PB. You got a PB, he's holding, has like a medal around his neck. Wait, this is B. This one. S. PB. So he has lots of PBs. He also has multiple records because he's the Oliver Frost. J. Oh, so this is 6 3-hour quarters. Why did it take me so long to memorize that? Oliver Frost with PB, I think SJ, so PB, and he's holding a sponge. Okay, audio, this should be easy peasy. Yeah, I have to hold it like this so I can trace it properly. S. E. Seneve pour les Seneve pour les wait. This doesn't look right. Hold on, sir. Nave. Pour. Save pour les. Oh. Today pull a cob shot. Today pull a cob shot. Ollie frosted lots of PVs and Ollie sponge. That took a while. I like mistraced like corners at the very beginning, so that was a really slow first attempt. I might try to go faster. Edges I think I can do a lot better. I have to kind of hold it this way. Yeah, I might just stand this way. It's actually easier because my current strategy is to so I can't trust the mirror because it just throws me off. Everything's in reverse because it's a mirror, like duh. But I find that if I trace my fingers, then I kind of find what I'm looking for. But I have to trust my fingers and my understanding of the positioning on the cube rather than like the mirror. So yeah, that probably took at least a few minutes. I'll try to go a bit faster and see how that goes for next time. Yeah, like that was hard.